Hi everyone, this is Divyan from Divy Online Classes. The primary objective to create Divy Online Classes channel is to help the students uh, in their studies, and the students which are from various boards like from CBSC, ICSC, UP board. Okay, so you will be able to find your study material for various subjects on this channel, and it is completely free. Apart from this, the students or the freshers which are just passing with their professional courses, I'll try to help them also by creating some videos on the technical topics, uh, especially with the certifications. How, let's say for an example, how they can pass their Microsoft Windows Azure certifications. I'll give also on various programming languages. I'll create some videos so that they can learn, enhance their skills, and then they can get the job in the market easily. Thank you.